Hey everybody, this video is on functions, but more specifically functions with no parameters. So on this one we have a function called greeting, and we always start creating a function with def. So we're giving it a definition, or we're defining it. And next after that is the name of the function. And then we always have parentheses after that. And since there's nothing in parentheses, we don't have any parameters. So that's why this one's about no parameters. And then we have a colon, just like we do with if statements, a colon at the end. Anything that's indented is considered inside of the function. So this function called greeting is just going to print hello there. So if we go ahead and run this code, you're going to see that nothing happens. That's because when we make a function or we define it, it doesn't actually run. We're just saying what it would do if we were to call it. So that is the other thing we have to do, and that is call the function. And we call the function by its name, and its name is greeting. So we call greeting, and then we put parentheses at the end, and then there's nothing inside there. This one doesn't have any parameters. Now if we go ahead and run it, it says hello there. And then if we want to run it again, we can go ahead and do that just by calling it more times. So we do not make more functions by doing this. We just call it whenever we need it. And most of the time we put our functions at the top of our program and call them whenever. All right, so that's your greeting one. I'm gonna go ahead and delete these. Then if we go down here to this one, we have show welcome. And this one is called show welcome. Again, no parameters and a colon at the end. This one has multiple things inside of it. So it has 4 different print statements. And you can kind of think of this as like an introduction to like a game that you're going to make. Where you say, hey, welcome to Rogue. Then you say press H to show the help menu. Now, if we were to run this program, what would happen? That is correct. Nothing would happen because we never called the function. In order to run this function, we need to call it by its name, which is show welcome. Now, if we run the program, now it'll go ahead and shows this. So let's continue on with this one more time, and let's make a function for greeting, or not greeting. Let's do it for showing a help menu. Show help menu. Go ahead and delete the show welcome here. And all this is going to do is let the person know how to play. So maybe it's like press north, south, east, west to move. Something simple like that. So imagine you have all this stuff going on in your program, and we want to welcome the person. Or we could just do like a greeting first. Greeting. And then we can do show welcome. And then, so let's see how this runs. Hello there. If we want to do like another space, we can go ahead and do just a regular print statement here. Not good. No S's. And it says hello there, gives a little space. Welcome to Rogue, plus press H. So let's say that we had like more lines of code here. And then on this one, the person did actually press H. And then we can call the function show help menu. So let's go ahead and run it. And then it shows the help menu. And then let's go ahead and say, hey, more things ran in the program. It prints. We can go ahead and show the help menu again because they pressed H. Let me run it again, and it shows it again. So in summary, we have def is what we need to begin our function definitions with. Then we name the function. This one doesn't have any parameters, so we put parentheses with nothing inside. And then we're going to put colon at the end. And if we have a bunch of things that need to go inside of the function, we just keep it all indented. And then whenever we want to run the function, we call the function by its name. And we can call function as many times as we want. We can also call functions inside of other functions. So we could technically do something like show welcome in here. And that would also work, no errors. But every time I did to show help, it would also print out show welcome. So it gets a little weird. Alrighty, you just finished watching how to make functions with no parameters. If you want to learn how to make functions with parameters, click on this one right here. Or if you guys need to go back and take a look at if statements with and. right there. All right, take care, everyone.